헤라나 아니라
nice music. There's just one thing. You see, we never ever do nothing nice and easy. We always do it nice and rough. We're gonna take everything easy song and do it easy. But you can finish rough. That's the way we do. Now, Mary, listen to the story. Rolling, everybody. Rolling on the river. Sing it with me. I left that good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost one minute of sleep. And I worried about the way that thing. Big wheels keep on driving.
quiet. Right. Can I stand on you? Don't chew anything. De ce qui font, laisse le mien. Marie qui super sur ses bouches. Dans les portraits sans retouche. Devant qu'elle, je bâtiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois l'œil en rose. Il me dit les mots d'amour, les mots de tous les jours, et sans quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur, pour ne pas défendre, dans je m'en ai là. C'est lui pour moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, il a joué pour la vie. Et les étés, je pense voir, le je sens en moi, mon cœur qui bat. When you kiss me, I'm alive. Passions arise inside. The colors of the world change. Red's no longer simply red at all. Its fire fills my soul. All I smell is hoodoo, Cara Rose. Blues distend beyond the hills. White clouds stand still, sense around. Our love's alive. Then when I turn, your smile fills the room. Everyday things seem to brighten my world. So I thought, we've got Cindy, who's like the most outrageous thing in the South Seas. I thought I would do something just a little bit more stylish, because I learned a long time ago when you're a little bit out there, like this is day wear in Ponsonby. I wear this in Ponsonby, don't I? So what I thought I would do, I got this phone call was it yesterday? No, the day before. I've got this show in, not yet. I've got this show in New York that I've got to do in like about 4 weeks. So I've got to try this brand new song. So would you mind if I tried the brand new song? Now, I have never done this song before, so it'll be fucking amazing, I can tell you now. Okay, so I'm going to try it. Is the music a bit louder? It's sort of cutting in and out, or is it just... It's just karaoke's not the way it used to be, is it? Oh. Fade in on a girl with a song in her heart, and a name and a face to remember. The past slips away, because as of today, Norma Jean's gone, she's moving on. Her smile and your fantasies play a duet that make you forget where you are. It's all for the taking. It's the sound of a heart breaking. Let me be your star. The past fades away with each morning star as she waits and remembers the memories. Marilyn Monroe stood in the light. She was a star, she lived the star, and the dreams and the laughter, they play just like pearls, 'cause they're all in this girl's repertoire. It's all for the taking, it's the sound of a heart breaking. Let me be your star. I can hardly forget the pain that you before. What use? You try Dustin Heels. The atmosphere is changing here. The future is here with me. Choose me. Fade up in the sky with the sounds and the lights. And it's Marilyn Monroe we remember for each passing light. And you'll need a lot of that to get between you and me, sweetheart. My endless Hold me, hold me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. If you can raise it, it's yours. I'll be that fool for you, and I'm sure that you know I don't mind. And you, oh, that belongs to me. Yeah. You'll be the only one. Stand this way. Oh, no one can do you fan me. Look, she's into it. I can feel her fan bigger than your fan. That's right. Yeah. And I'll give it all to you. Yeah. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. My endless.
To give part of the proceeds to Takanya. So if you would please just explain to our people here in the audience about Takanya.
Meter gemaakt. Met meer, ja, meter geëdit zo. No te ahoa. I also would like to acknowledge a very special lady, the late Titikamata Eahu Waide Taripu, for this child. And I believe she was the main inspiration for this fundraiser tonight. And Te Kainga is most humble and grateful for this generosity and for the blessing from above. I know this is, Te Kainga is, and we're very small. We provide a range of services to help the people in this country, from the young to the old. And we don't have a budget. Every day we try to find some money to pay for the programs that we provide. So tonight we're just so overwhelmed. Thank you to the Queen of Hearts for, first of all, raising awareness on mental health. We need more of you to be doing this because we can't do it on our own. And this is just amazing. It goes with the spirit of Christmas, the spirit of sharing and forgiving what you have and sharing with everybody else. I also take this opportunity to thank our regular supporters. I can see Frankie, Christina there, 60 plus hospital comforts, everybody who have been helping to kind of
Hold